Welcome back to Jaina in the Morning.
We're here with Mal Vengeroth, Hunter of Night, and his girlfriend Kim. Now, Kim, you think you're here for a makeover, right?
Yeah?
Mal, why don't you tell us why you're really here?
Well, Kim Cake, I love you, but I have something to tell you. I'm a demon.
Oh, girl, he put the wool over your eye.
Actually, more of a pit lord.
What? I don't understand.
He's a bum. Throw him out.
I thought you said you worked for the post office.
Well, I moonlight.
A horse kicked me once. It hurt.
Yeah, you can get a nickel for boosting Starfall, but jacking heels a 10-day stint in county. Now lifting fairy fire, they just let you go for that. It's not even worth the paperwork. But reincarnate, man, that'll get you life.
There's something on the wing. We found a witch. May we burn her? No.
I smell magic in the air. Or maybe barbecue.
You're the king? Well, I didn't vote for you. Help, help, I'm being repressed.